We ranked number 7 in India amongst all apps.
And that is phenomenal. When this idea came to both of you, or start कैसे हुआ था?
So the number one model which worked well for us, let's adapt Skyscanner.
We love hackathons. So
We love
actually,
hackathons.
we've like probably built over 30-40 products since the 7th grade.
So you both are friends from class 6th या 7th.
Correct.
6.
So अगर यहाँ पे बात करें role की, what are both of your roles?
We both have to look at it. Customer facing, marketing, growth, fundraising, etc. That's all mine. Customer service, operations, finance, legal, all of that Akshay takes care of.
ये episode air हुआ, उसके बाद initial क्या reaction था from family?
But I called up my parents, so my mother was crying.
Aman was there, तो valuation cut हो रही थी. अमन के जाते ही increase हुई.
I wanted both of them. Like honestly, Aman is a great value add-on, but not specifically for our industry. Kunal and Ritesh specifically are great add-ons.
1.2 crores for 90 crore valuation.
मैं 8 करोड़ रुपए डालूंगा.
I'll give you at 2.
अगर मैं बात करूँ जैसे प्राइस पॉइंट्स की, तो यू टोल्ड कि हमारे पास 6,000 से लेके 60 लाख तक के
30
shoes
lakhs.
हैं. आज के शूज की कॉस्ट क्या है? हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ग्रोथ कास्ट पॉडकास्ट. आज मेरे साथ दो काफी फेमस लोग हैं. इफ यू विल सर्च शार्क टैंक इस सीजन, तो आपको दो ही लोग के चेहरे सबसे ज्यादा दिखेंगे, और वो हैं देवांश एंड अक्षय. वेलकम टू दी ग्रोथ कास्ट पॉडकास्ट गाइज. और बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, आई लाइक टू अंडरस्टैंड आज के शूज की कॉस्ट क्या है.
If I had a penny for every time someone asked us that, we had more shoes.
अब तो एलिवेटर में चलते हुए लोग पूछते हैं कौन से जूते
तो काफी pressure आ गया.
काफी प्रेशर आ गया अब.
नहीं, और सीरियस नोट, हाउ हैज लाइफ बीन बिफोर शार्क टैंक एंड आफ्टर शार्क टैंक? क्या डिफरेंसेस दिख रहे हैं दोनों?
बताओ अक्षय.
Better recognition. I think नहीं, after Shark Tank it's been work-wise very chaotic, क्योंकि obviously Shark Tank के बाद काफी traffic आता है. We had pushed new platforms right before Shark Tank. The worst decision to make is what we did. But Shark Tank is काफी chaotic हुआ, traffic आया, customers, तो team is working over the clock. But देवांश को open time में बहुत recognition मिलता है.
No, but I think Akshay is loving all the attention he's getting.
Yeah.
Because yeah, so Akshay is just loving all the attention.
This is the part where we cut it out.
That's
And we move
about
on.
it.
नहीं यार, attention of any kind is good. कस्टमर का टेंशन मिल रहा है, लोगों का
हाँ.
टेंशन मिल रहा है,
नहीं,
और
हाँ,
why
Speaking
not?
about customer
Akshay
attention.
is getting all kinds of attention.
Speaking about the customer attention.
नहीं, बढ़िया यार, you two are handsome folks, तो ये तो डिजर्व करती है पब्लिक.
अभी अगर हम शशांक अगर अभी अलाउ करें तो देवांश की डीएम्स खोल के दिखा सकते हैं. अटेंशन किसको बोलते हैं? ट्वीट्स आ रहे हैं देवांश उसके.
No, but more importantly, I think a very important milestone is we ranked number 7 in India amongst all apps.
And that is phenomenal.
Yeah, so above us we had apps like Amazon, Flipkart, Zepto, and then it was Culture Circle, and below us we had an AGO, Nykaa, H&M, Zara,
Snapdeal and Lenskart.
Snapdeal, Lenskart.
Irony.
So beating sharks at their own game.
So yeah, I mean that way, like the audience has been very kind. I think they really like the pitch, they like the product, and everyone wanted to explore it once at least. So it's been good.
I think I'll also zoom out little bit. पहले ही समझते हैं कि when this idea came to both of you, और start कैसे हुआ था? You'd like to throw some light. You covered it during your pitch.
Sure.
हाँ, but इसको interesting story कुछ हो behind this.
So I mean, see, there is a PR version of the story, etc., investor pitch version of the story. But honestly, I think it came to us when we were in Goa. Actually, we were on a trip together. Okay, and this is during my MBA. And we were in Goa, and I think it just randomly struck us because we were booking tickets through Skyscanner.
Yeah.
Correct? So we're booking our tickets through Skyscanner, etc. And we're just discussing that after I downloaded Skyscanner as an app, I had the Ixigo, Make My Trip, Clear Trip, Go IPO.
Right.
I had all of those apps, but I stopped using them. Right? And we were like, this is such a powerful idea. It's such a simple idea, comparing prices between different stores and sites.
Right.
But it's such a powerful idea that it allowed us to just stop using 4 apps because we had that one app. And
That's
what
I think
my-
when the same commodity is priced differently across platforms, so a need for such platform automatically arises.
Right.
Because there have been, I think, plugins in the past who have done it with, I think, Amazon's, Flipkart's of the world. And Amazon has bought that plugin and closed it off.
Right.
Why? Because it actually decreases its revenue.
Right.
जो customer Amazon पे खरीद सकता है वो जाके Flipkart पे खरीदेगा. तो similar platform worked well for us. And like as Devansh mentioned, we were in Goa. So the number one model which worked well for us, let's adapt Skyscanner and buy. Because I think I was trying to buy a pair. It was my first pair ever. It's called a Jordan 1 High PSG.
Okay.
It's Paris in German. And my size, as you can see, it's UK 11. I have enormous feet. So UK 11 UK 11 ना मुश्किल से मिलता है. That is the problem. So the first sneaker I wanted to buy, I searched PSGs. I loved them. And मुझे 10 वेबसाइट्स पे गया. UK 11 आधी वेबसाइट्स पे है ही नहीं. 5 वेबसाइट्स पे प्राइस 40, 50 हजार. I was like, who the fuck pays that? Right? And then I contacted Instagram sellers. Some had it, some did not have it. 2 of them and 3 of them probably gave me very good deals. 15 हजार दे दी. मुझे लगा यार, I mean, अगर एक वेबसाइट पे 40 है, एक पे 15 है, are these giving me fake pairs?
Too good to be true.
Too
Correct,
good to be true.
correct.
So this is where we were brainstorming. I was telling Devansh this exact same thing. He was like, there needs to be a better thing we have to do. And like both of us are like builders, engineers.
Yeah, we love hackathons. So
We love
actually,
hackathons.
we've like probably built over 30-40 products since the 7th grade. We built our first app when I think we were in the 9th grade. It was a game called the Panda game. Random
Yeah.
hackathon. So we have a pattern wherein we'll go into coding for 3-4 days and build out something like a crappy first version of something and just release it.
So you both are friends from class 6th or 7th.
Correct.
6th,
Yeah.
6th year.
We were in the same school.
Got it. और उस टाइम दोनों में पढ़ाई में कौन ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड रहता था?
अच्छा, interested.
पढ़ाई में इंटरेस्टेड
ज्यादा नहीं, मार्क्स मेरे ज्यादा
मार्क्स मेरे ज्यादा आते थे.
मार्क्स मेरे ज्यादा आते. I think मेरे बोर्ड्स में 96 आए थे. That is like a
Same.
compelling.
Same.
That is a
But,
compelling thing. Yeah.
So अगर यहाँ पे बात करें रोल की, what are both of your roles? अभी किसकी क्या क्या responsibility? What you look into?
Sure. So I think I'll tell you very honestly, I'll give you the answer, but a very practical reality of anything that's early stages, we both have to look at everything.
Right.
Frankly, right? And that is because 2 minds are better than one at attacking any issue. So honestly, both of us have a complete overview and are hands-on in every part of the business. But of course, there's certain decision-making variables we have chosen. Just everything that is front-end.
Okay.
Customer facing, marketing, growth, fundraising, etc. That's all my domain.
Yeah.
Everything that goes towards the back end, which is so order lana mera kaam hai, to put it very simply, and fulfilling that order, customer service, operations, finance, legal, all of that Akshay takes care of. Tech, both of us cumulatively handle.
Got it. और ये जैसे अभी we were discussing before the episode कि Shark Tank का पूरा प्रोसेस क्या रहता है? How you went about the application? कैसे अप्लाई किया? पता था कि कब एयर होने वाला है? क्या
So I think Goa is a very lucky place for me because
सारी चीजें वहीं से होती तो
I applied for Shark Tank in Goa. So that was a deadline that was closing in. I still remember. I think it was around 15th August. That was the closure deadline. 4 hours before it, I got a nudge from someone that the application is closing, apply. So I went outside. We were chilling at some place. I went outside, laptop लिया, बाहर खड़े होकर उस जगह के laptop में application भरा. Everything was done. One interesting was they asked for a founder video of us just talking about the idea. वो भी हमने कोई पुरानी clips हमारी उठाई, merge करके. We just
typical engineering वाला
Correct, एकदम जुगाड़.
Essentially, जुगाड़ has worked for us, will work for us.
So
We're good at
again,
it.
we will go, and that's how we applied. After that, so that's the first round. The second round is a audition / screen test. So that also, again, we were problematic, I think, for the entire Shark Tank team since the start because we did not follow any rules, honestly. So they called us to Delhi because we're from Delhi. They're like,
Right.
our audition is in Leela, Delhi. On these dates, you come. That time, Akshay was not in the country. So I told them, no, we can't come to on these dates. We can only come at this date. So like, okay, now you come to Bombay. So we were the only 2 applicants from Delhi who were auditioning in Bombay. With all the other Bombay applicants. And everyone there is from Bombay. And they're like, why are you guys coming here from Delhi? We're like, long story. So we auditioned in Bombay.
Yeah.
And there was a screen test. So that's the next round. And after that, they're like, if you get selected, 10 days before your actual screening with the Sharks, we will let you know. And they don't give you any other communication.
Oh.
So we auditioned, we forgot about it. We went on continue to build the business.
ऑडिशन में क्या करते हैं? मतलब बेसिकली आपको पिच ही देनी होती है.
Same.
Yeah,
अच्छा.
first couple of rounds are more of written question answers. कि अच्छा, what is your business model, everything. जो Bombay वाला Devansh is telling you, that is more of a screen test.
कि
Can you
ये
pitch
लोग
well?
टीवी
हाँ.
पे कैसे दिखेंगे, मसाला देंगे नहीं देंगे. To be very honest.
On
Got it.
camera, can you pitch well? Because to be very honest, like some folks are nervous on camera.
Right.
But end of the day, Shark Tank is a reality TV show.
Right.
Even if they have excellent business.
But it is a TV show. It is a TV show
it is a
about
TV show.
business.
Yeah.
So
But if somebody is not good on camera, they have to let them go. So 4th round, screen test होता है. Then finally, when you clear that, वो एक हफ्ता मुंबई में बुलाते हैं आपको, which is like the most torturous time can happen.
but after audition, honestly, we had a pretty good idea that we'll get through
Right.
because I mean like that way we knew we are good at content. Like content we'll give, masala we'll give that.
You talked about reality show. दोनों follow भी करते हो कोई reality shows?
No, sorry.
But I used to watch
Splits will
Roadies.
अच्छा Roadies.
Splits will.
यार पूरी वही vibe आती है.
Oh shit. Splits will.
I think you have had compelling reasons to watch Splitsvilla in the past.
No. So
Have you not been with
No.
a couple of Splitsvilla
I watched
क्या हुआ?
Roadies.
हाथ क्यों मार रहा है?
No, I have friends who've been to. I have
Yeah.
a bunch of friends who've been to Splitsvilla. Actually, that's the joke.
Yeah,
But
friends.
Got it. नहीं चलो उधर नहीं जाते हैं फिर दूसरे डायरेक्शन में मूव करते हैं. So let's talk about post Shark Tank की एपिसोड एयर हुआ उसके बाद इनिशियल क्या रिएक्शन था फ्रॉम फैमिली फ्रेंड्स और क्या नोटिसेबल चेंजेस देखने को मिले आसपास.
So I think we held this screening in our office itself for the entire team.
Yeah.
We were with the team, honestly. So we weren't with family. Just air ho raha tha. Team was of course super hyped up, right? I think because it felt like everyone's victory. Even though we were on screen, honestly, it's the entire team's victory,
Right.
right? That led us to that place. But I called up my parents, so my mother was crying. It's just because it's just such an emotional moment for them
Right.
to see on
Yeah.
TV. Typically, doesn't have, like all of them family. We're like either from business or like doctors, etc. Not relation to
हाँ,
media at all.
And plus, I think TV still is a very big thing for
It is.
any
Correct,
parent in India.
100%. 100%.
Correct. So I think they were quite emotional about it. They really liked how we handled ourselves there.
Hmm.
So I mean, see, you can get famous, but there's a good famous and there's a bad famous.
Right.
There's always good positive PR and negative PR. Yeah.
Right. So they were quite proud of how we handled ourselves there in front of the Sharks. So that was good.
And post that, when you're going somewhere, अभी काफी recognition मिली जैसे you both were telling.
So fun fact.
Only Akshay. Akshay
No, not-
enjoys all of this.
So fun fact, like I think last Saturday we was out somewhere and we did have a couple of people come approach us कि oh we guys saw you in Shark Tank. आपने अभी 10 लाख के जूते पहने हैं क्या?
हाँ, that's what everyone remembers. अभी जूते कौन से पहने? Like that's the
जूते कौन
first
से
question.
पहने हैं? But yeah, मतलब I think this is all temporary. Yeah, this is a 1-2 month buzz. We understand that a lot of people have seen our reels and like temporary buzz. But yeah, we hope this goes on for a longer time.
Like we don't
So,
care
yeah.
if we get recognized or not, but I think Culture Circle as a brand should be etched in
Yes,
everyone's mind.
that
Right?
recall should be.
That's what we're really trying. That,
Yeah.
Because everyone there appreciated the product as well. All the 5 sharks.
Right.
And-
Aman had used the product already, so they all appreciated the product. So we want that brand trust to just continue to live on because of what we have built more than
we were
us.
very scared, before just we're going on a Shark Tank pitch. कि यार, we knew, देखो, everyone has seen the pitch, right?
Right.
So we knew there is going to come a point where we're going to say we have 17.5 crores in the bank. And what he did was, as it was evident in the pitch, there was a lot of back and forth question answer.
Right.
Sharks Devansh, Sharks Devansh, Sharks Devansh, which came out to be a great cut. Like it looked like these guys have practiced. The moment they asked now, how much money do you have in banks? Devansh said, Akshay, do you want to answer that?
Akshay, that's your question.
That's your question. And I was like, oh, okay. He's given that to me because that was the most obvious question.
Right.
You're going to receive flack on, like very obvious. But yeah, so before the pitch, we were very scared. Yeah, we know that is one negative point, but we don't want anything bad to be said about the product.
Right.
But touch wood, it went well. They said good things. They said, like, they showed, I think, just 15 minutes of the cut, right?
Right.
But throughout the pitch, they said very good things about the team also. Ki, like, we can see that the team you guys have, क्योंकि इतना UI UX इतना अच्छा है, ये सब अच्छा है. We were lucky that this went well.
नहीं आई थिंक वो काफी दिखा भी एपिसोड में एंड MBA में टिपिकल पढ़ते हैं कि कोई एक एंकर पॉइंट पे ले जाओ तुम नेगोशिएशन तो वहां से फिर तुम उसको अपने डायरेक्शन में ले जा सकते हो दैट ही यूज्ड रियली वेल.
Correct.
सो वाज दैट द फिलॉसफी क्या कि 250 का नंबर दो फिर अपने हिसाब से इसको नेविगेट करते हो.
Correct. So, no, I'll tell you very honestly. When we raised our last round back in May, it was at an 80 crore post-money valuation.
Right.
Since then, the business has actually grown 6 times.
हाँ, right.
So, in our mind, we were like, okay, technically it's 480, but of course, that didn't feel fair. So, we're like, okay, what is a fair number? So, we halved it. Honestly, that was the reverse calculation. And we felt 240 was genuinely a fair number to go and asking. And we knew because it's Shark Tank, obviously there's going to be valuation cuts.
Right.
Ki
That
whatever
happens.
you ask, wo hoga. So that's why 240 felt like a fairly reasonable number to go and asking. But the anchor point thing was also there. Like if I had gone and asking for 100, then we would
वो
have
नीचे ही आता.
60 would have like, so that definitely was an anchor point. But I think that again was a two-sided sword. मतलब two-edged sword क्या होता है?
हाँ मतलब सब पब्लिक समझ जाएगा
समझ
भावनाओं को.
भावनाओं समझो. So the issue with that was the moment we said it, initial reactions you see, Aman is like, "Hum pagal hain kya?" This, that. So initially it puts them off immediately.
Right.
And that is a little unfair also, I feel, because you don't know the business, you don't know my numbers.
Right.
Just based on that. So that's that.
नहीं, बट जब वो सिचुएशन थी कि व्हेन अमन वाज देयर तो वैल्यूएशन कट हो रही थी, अमन के जाते ही इंक्रीज हुई, तो उस सिचुएशन में कुछ अंदर से हो रहा था कि यार कि चलो 3 की जगह 2 आ जाए तो काम बन जाएगा.
100%, that was the strategy.
100%. We wanted both of them. Like honestly, Aman is a great value add-on, but not specifically for our industry.
Right.
Kunal and Ritesh specifically are great add-ons.
Right.
And matches us.
Right.
We wanted both of them only, and somehow I think turned in our favor either unintentionally or intentionally. Yeah, Devansh will be able to better help.
नहीं, I think देवांश ने सारे MBA के फंडामेंटल्स लगा दिए थे, नेगोशिएट करते थे,
Negotiation, game theory,
बांटना, बेस्ट एग्रीमेंट टू नेगोशिएट, सारी चीजें लेके. बट टॉक मोर अबाउट कल्चर सर्किल की हाउ यू स्टार्टेड एंड सॉल्व फॉर कोल्ड स्टार्ट प्रॉब्लम की इनिशियल जो आपके फर्स्ट 1000 सेट ऑफ यूजर्स थे वो कहाँ से आए थे?
Very good question, actually. So again, with any two-sided marketplaces, you know, there is always a cold start problem. If you don't have buyers, you don't have sellers. If you don't have sellers, you don't have buyers.
Right.
Which is the biggest advantage down the line, because it becomes a network effect. Because now we have more buyers, hence we have the maximum number of sellers, hence we get more
Very
buyers,
correct.
right? So at the start, we knew we have to chase demand. We were very clear that if we get demand and traffic on the platform, sellers we will be able to get. We knew, because everyone wants to do more dhanda revenue. It's a simpler sell. So for the demand side, initially what we did as a product was exactly sort of a replica version of Skyscanner for our industry, wherein what we did is we'll scrape all of the different websites where you can currently get the product from, and scrape all of that and show it on one platform. And when you click on a particular website, it will take you to that particular website and you can complete the purchase.
And app design भी दोनों नहीं मिलके खुद ही करके.
So we didn't start with an app. We started with a website.
अच्छा, okay.
Website. So what happens is Akshay is really good at systems architecture, backend, scraping, all that he's really good at. I've been good at design and front end. So wo complementary skill sets we all had.
So recently in a weekend we were able to do that. He was completely focused on design and website, front end, same philosophy. I was completely focused on getting all the data in, how to display it correctly. And I think Saturday morning we started and Monday morning we were able to deploy.
Correct.
Within 2 days, yeah.
So 2 days we started and we left it. We were like, it's a cool tool. Let's see the traction on it. We made an Insta account and just started posting. And what we started posting was nothing. We just put up a shoe and put up the price comparison. Basically almost like a screenshot of our product. That was our Insta post. And we saw people are organically sharing that Instagram post within each other. Because now I'm your friend. I know you're looking for this particular shoe. You're looking for a Jordan 1 high, whatever, lost and found.
Right.
ठीक है, it's a particular shoe you're looking for. And I'm seeing ये post मैंने देखा जहाँ पे one website is 36,000, one is 32,000, one is 28,000, one is 24,000.
Right.
And I'm seeing this for multiple products. So I will obviously share it to you.
Right.
कि यार ये देख ले, just get the best price. Basic instinct, us as Indians. That's how the product picked up. Zero marketing, zero sort of strategy on there. We were just very clear कि this people will want to tell their friends about.
And ये नाम कैसे सोचा कल्चर सर्किल? इसके पीछे की क्या स्टोरी है?
So I'll tell you, yaar, culture, because I'll tell you, we were building another product before this called Meta Circles.
Yeah.
Meta Circles वो क्या था?
Meta Circles basically क्या था?
we also asked the same question. वो सब था. वो
typical engineering startup जो होता है ना, NFT. So the idea was we will build a community.
All the buzzwords you can think of.
Yeah.
Meta Circles
build a
had
community for the top 1% elite in India. And the access of that, like a membership card for that community, will be an NFT. क्यों? पता नहीं. But NFT होगा because we know how to build an NFT. Because it was cool.
Yeah.
So we're building Meta Circles, and our idea was, okay, one of the circles in Meta Circle will be Culture Circle.
Oh.
So we were still focused on the Meta Circles idea. We said, okay, one of the circles in Meta Circles can be Culture Circle. And that was the idea. Culture, why? Culture just because sneaker culture, etc. That was that. So
I think we're still gonna execute this idea one day. That Meta Circles is the overarching entity. It's still the 1% आपका premium access club. Culture Circle is one of the circles. But this will be a reality in the next 5-10 years for sure.
Definitely you can do it because 19-year-olds are building Zepto and we have 20-year-olds from Gurgaon. They will build this out.
They've been 19-year-old for quite a bit.
Quite a bit.
I think it's been 10 years now, they're 19 years old.
नहीं सही है 20-year-olds तुम लोग भी कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो next 10 years.
Correct.
I'll move forward. I understand कि एक तो ये बताया कि लोगों ने शेयर करना शुरू किया, but supplier को फिर कैसे on board लेके आया because you
हाँ,
have a
so
huge database of that as well.
I'll tell you. So what happened is people were sharing, and within 2-3 months now, we had 50,000 organic visits on the platform, which is quite a number.
Right.
So in this industry, everyone knew this is such a cool tool,
Hmm.
and the suppliers they started using this tool.
अच्छा कि आपस में प्राइस देखने.
Correct. So
Hmm.
suppliers were trading between each other. Ki I want to sell this pair, I want to buy this pair. So to set a fair price, they were already using the tool as consumers.
Oh,
The
nice.
suppliers. So all the suppliers in the industry started using the tool as a tool itself, not to transact, not to buy, but as a tool. And they reached out to us. It's such a cool platform. And one supplier said, please, आप मेरी भी inventory डाल दो ना. I don't have a website yet. I'm an Instagram page or I sell through WhatsApp. Please put my catalog. We were like, okay. Then Akshay had a genius idea. We will create a Google Sheets template. You just fill the template and you just update it. We will pull the data in real time and display it. We'll show your logo, show your name, and display it. So suppliers reached out to us, and within 15 days, we were managing 124 Google Sheets.
Yeah.
And it was only 2 of you at that time कि थोड़ी टीम expand की थी.
नहीं.
बस दोनों मिलके.
दो ही थे उस time पे. There was no operations as Devansh, there was no social
There was no
media.
need for a team.
Hmm.
I can design on Canva, put up a social media post.
हाँ.
He can handle a Google Sheets API. So there was no need.
There
for
was
a
no
team.
seller side app now. Uस time पे. Uस time we were scraping websites and just showing prices.
Correct.
But when sellers reached out to us, if we really want to display, we had to instantly do a jugaad again. Google Sheets लो, ये लो भरो, automatically real time will display your prices. But I think after Cultural came in, then we built a seller side app, SourceX,
Correct.
and eventually it turned into an organized industry. But उस time पे तो we did a lot of jugaad.
And when you both decided कि यार अब high time है, अब थोड़ी टीम भी expand करते हैं, लोगों को लेके आते हैं.
When we started making money.
So you started this in college, na? You told in the
Correct.
pitch also IMA Ventures. So how much role has that played into this whole thing? जो IMA Ventures की
So I
funding
think
थी
they gave us like a 7 lakh grant. So I think that played a role that we just had a cushion.
Cushion, right?
Ki just like 50,000-60,000 if you want to spend, we want to get some software, you want to do hosting, buy a domain name,
Right.
host it on Heroku, stuff like that. So we had some cushion ki we don't have to keep on spending from our pockets because वो psychologically थोड़ा dicey हो जाता है because you don't know how it's going to make
Stresses
money.
you out, yeah.
Then even spending 1 lakh from your pocket, like we're very conservative that way. For entrepreneurs, quote unquote, we're quite conservative.
नहीं, you both are terrific entrepreneurs. पर अभी ये बताओ कि यहाँ पे जब हम वर्क की बात करते हैं, who among you is good cop, who among you is bad cop when it comes to your team and managing everything?
So I think I'm the good cop because I cannot be a bad cop, so he has to take that role because he can.
I think I'm very comfortable being the bad cop. I'm very comfortable. So we have separate teams. For example, as you mentioned, I do CS and ops more, fulfillment more. So unke saath I can be the bad cop. And whenever they have to go to a person to help them out, he'll be the good cop.
But what's the average age of the team? अभी कितने कुछ
20,
millennials हैं कि सारे के सारे
23, 24.
23, 24.
23,
24 was the average age. I think there are max 2 team members who ended to us. They have stuck with
No,
us
no,
for the last
3.
6 years. 3 now?
3 years.
Oh, okay, 3 now. But average would be right outside of
So we
college.
take like either, so what we try to hiring philosophy, right, is quite different. We don't hire for skill. We just hire for hunger and for dedication. So if we feel the guy is sincere, right, the person is sincere, the person has a hunger to do something, we will teach you the skill set.
Got it.
That's our hiring philosophy. Because we're like, इंसान 21 on 20 होना चाहिए, skill set 18 on 20 है, I'll teach you, I'll train for that, don't worry.
And as Akshay told कि यहाँ पे यार काफी टाइम भी लगता है सिखाने में. You also told कि काफी टाइम लगता है, तो आप full time ही hire करते हो. There are no interns
We don't
or
do
freelancers.
internships too much, we don't do
Impossible
freelance.
to do internships in this industry.
And would you like to talk about products also? What kind of products are in pipeline या अभी क्या है? And how you go about deciding कि यार ये product को अब live कर देते हैं. कुछ उसके पीछे भी
Sure.
framework लगाते हो अपना, जैसे Shark Tank में लगाया था.
No, it's actually very simple. It's very customer backwards. So I personally WhatsApp 50 to 60 customers daily, for example, right? And my question then is, okay, 2 things. One, how did you hear about Culture Circle? And when the answer is I heard about it from my friends, we know that perfect. The product is working. People are telling their friends about it. We are doing well. There are days जब ये नहीं होता ना, we know something is wrong. We need to improve.
Right.
And the second is, okay, you like this product. what else do you shop for? That is very difficult to get in India.
Right.
So we're getting answers like, handbags. So the latest handbags from these luxury brands, you can't get them in India. And, a lot of guys are like, I want to buy this for my girlfriend or my wife or my mother. So that's why we launched handbags. Then we had an insight customer side saying sunglasses. That you get those very cool, say, Balenciaga sunglasses outside.
Right.
In Europe, you don't get them in India. So we launched Balenciaga sunglasses. So it's very customer backwards that we do that. Anything that is cool in the culture, we want India to have it, and we want India to have it first, not 2 years after the rest of the world. That's the idea.
I think that's a great philosophy, because then you are building a product from India to the world.
Correct.
The world,
And during the Shark Tank, I saw Vinita also questioning you a lot on the business model piece. So how you handle those questions को, if you want to elaborate या बताना चाहोगे कि यार कहाँ पे she was wrong, because I felt कि वो थोड़ा सा over criticize हो गया.
I think
थोड़ा ज़्यादा उन्होंने दिखा दिया Vinita.
Actually, I'll tell you what, her questions were quite valid.
Right.
Like the questions she asked were quite valid. वो उन्होंने but cut ऐसा दिखाया ना that our answers were completely cut out. So it felt like she's just asking 20 questions,
Right.
and we haven't answered any. Versus there was one question we answered, next question we answered. But her questions were valid, but they were valid at a scale like her reasoning was, agar kal ko you become $100 billion company bigger than Reliance, then Reliance will have an issue with you.
Right.
And then these brands will have an issue with you. We were like, fair. But by that point, when we have become a $100 billion company, I think we'll have enough things going for us to...
Then you will become executive chairman, ना? फिर वो नीचे आने की दिक्कत है.
And then we'll have enough. Then we'll have enough and more anchors, partners, etc. to solve those issues. Because we made a point that there are already multi-billion-dollar companies in the US,
Right.
who are successfully executing this business model, and we feel they have not done a great job. Like $5 billion is such a small outcome in a $900 billion industry.
Right.
That's what the luxury spending is in a year. So that was our counter.
If I talk about कि what are some of the trends that you see picking up अगले 1-2 साल में in this particular category, sneakers is definitely one thing. Do you see also new trends being coming up जो लगता है कि pick करेंगे आगे चल के?
100%. So people are going very big in terms of luxury and in terms of giving new brands a chance as well. So these are two things that we've seen in our consumers, that they're willing to try out new brands. And the reason for that, I like the psychological motivation behind that is they want something that's different. So I want to be wearing something like a shoe or a sunglasses or even let's say hoodie,
Right.
that you don't have. And I want to be the one who introduces my friend circle to that cool brand. So मैंने brand discover किया. This is, let's say, this German niche brand, very cool, luxury, expensive. And then I'm introducing my friend circle to this brand saying, ये देखो, तुम्हें पता है इसके बारे में? This is the story behind this brand. Because this is very shock से driven industry. A lot of people ये shock चल रहा है थोड़ा.
अच्छा ये भी brand थी मुझे नहीं पता था.
Yeah.
Shock चल रहा है थोड़ा शोशाबाजी चल रहा है like वो है ही. And we're from Delhi, so of course शोशाबाजी is on steroids.
Right.
People, I think, love to give recommendations to their friends. For example, Hoka, I've actually heard from 5 different friends in America that we're doing this. Hoka is a new brand. And
Running
Right.
shoes.
Right.
And you don't get it in India, for example.
you don't get
so
them in
we're,
India.
we're making it available in India.
You only get it in Culture Circle, guys. by the way.
Yeah. And I think
Facts.
तुरंत जाके app download करनी चाहिए और
Go
order
get the
करनी
app
चाहिए.
right now. We're Asia's #1 hype and luxury app with the largest collection of authenticated drip.
पूरा इसको रट चुका है.
That's it.
I can do
think
this in my sleep.
If I had to, Devansh, if I had to put a number to it, how many ads have you officially shot for Culture Circle now?
Over 100.
Over
100 easily. Yeah.
I also saw you starting the podcast series, so you think if जो founder की personal brand रहती है, that is also now very important because we see so many founders now using their personal brand for driving their business forward.
I'm not too sure about that answer. I know the correct answer nowadays is yes, first brand of founder is important is that. But I generally feel like there are so many brands. I don't know who the founder is, but I love the brand.
Right.
Honestly, right? We use it on a day-to-day basis. And so that's why I feel that it's not necessary also, but it can be a strategic advantage. If the founder really aligns with the brand's persona.
But I think वो थोड़ा flip भी हो सकता है कि अगर founder ने कुछ गलत किया तो brand को फिर उसका burn
It's a risk. It's a
But
risk.
the more you associate with each other, right? Founder and brand, brand and founder. So it's a huge risk because if founder actually gets arrested the next day,
Right.
what happens to the brand?
ये क्या idea आ रहा है?
No, this was
रणवीर इलाहाबादिया का podcast convert
Arrested.
This context came in after you mentioned the current podcast Devansh is doing. बिकॉज वो पॉडकास्ट के बाद तो मैंने बोला हुआ है ये अरेस्ट होगा. इतना जो कंटेंट निकलता है ना उसमें, that should
We have
not
to
be
edit
there.
out everything.
That should not be there on internet. I can say it personally.
नहीं, आई थिंक ये थोड़ा सटल है, बट दैट्स फाइन, उतना तो चलता है.
हाँ.
बट अगर मैं बात करूं जैसे प्राइस पॉइंट्स की, सो यू टोल्ड कि
हम्म.
हमारे पास 6,000 से लेके 60 लाख तक के
30
shoes हैं,
lakhs.
30 lakhs तक के
Yeah,
शूज हैं. पर क्या डिमांड रहती है? पीपल बाय दीज एक्सपेंसिव शूज है बिकॉज
Yes.
मेरी एज ग्रुप के तो शायद हम लोग तो अब दूर जा चुके हैं इससे, बट वुड लाइक टू अंडरस्टैंड.
You would probably be not into sneakers, that's okay, but probably into watches.
राइट.
Yeah.
अच्छा,
There is
luxury-
there is luxury in every category.
हाँ, it has different
Sneakers works for,
manifestation.
let's say, age gap, like generation like us or younger, but watches कितना ज्यादा करते हैं,
Correct.
और
Right.
handbags कितना ज्यादा होता है. That gaps आती हैं अब तो आजकल. Different age groups have different sort of luxury categories.
And honestly, we were also surprised. I'll tell you the inside.
Mhm.
We did not. So this is in January.
Right.
We got an order for a 8.5 lakh shoe.
Hmm.
Okay, and it was an online paid order via credit card. And at that point,
दिल्ली में, मतलब
This-
दिल्ली से कहाँ से था?
no, this was an order from Mumbai,
Oh,
and it was like a very known person, like in the cricket team playing 11.
nice.
So this person ordered, and we were surprised because we had 6,000 followers on Instagram. We are a random website that's been created. You don't know, and we're like, people are willing to go swipe in an 8.5 lakh credit card
Hmm.
on a page that has 6,000 followers, and you haven't heard of it. 2 mahine purana hai.
Right.
And we were surprised because when people want something, they want something, and so bikta hai. To answer your question, everything.
एंड मेजोरिटी जो हाई टिकट ऑर्डर्स रहते हैं वो दिल्ली से ज्यादा रहते हैं, मुंबई से, बैंगलोर से, विच सिटी यू सी?
Honestly, it's all across.
All across.
Like you'd be surprised, Gujarat se kitne aate hain. For that matter, Surat, a city like
Ahmedabad,
Surat.
डायमंड हब है ना बेसिकली तो.
हाँ.
You'd be surprised. So
Pune, Indore, all these cities, even Northeast, we
yeah,
get so much
Northeast,
orders.
yes.
So many orders.
Oh,
from, yeah,
Nobody, like we didn't have a clue when we started this. Northeast is such a significant market for us. And we get very high ticket orders, 8 lakh, 9 lakh, 10 lakh sneakers. So many have sold in the Northeast.
Yeah,
I
ये तो
think it's
काफी
about, yeah.
इम्पोर्टेंट डेटा पॉइंट है क्योंकि अभी तक लोगों को लगता था ये सब टियर 1 सिटी फिनोमेना ही होगा
Correct.
मेजरली.
In fact, I'll tell you the counterintuitive insight.
Hmm.
So the insight here is people in Delhi and Bombay, we still have a way to fulfill that aspiration because we have access to say a DLF Emporio in
Right.
Delhi or a Geo World Drive in Bombay now.
Right.
So we have access to luxury brands. Now think of a person in say Kanpur or Lucknow. Now they don't have access, like Zara ka access hi kafi bar nahi hota, right? So
Right.
forget these brands. So for them, they're actually much more okay buying from Culture Circle, for example, because that's their only access to fulfill these aspirations.
Right.
So that's actually why we have seen a lot of business from tier 2 and tier 3.
And your app has a very phenomenal UI UX. तो उसकी डिजाइन फिलोसफी क्या थी?
Thank you so much.
And I think वो इम्प्रेस भी किया काफी जजेस को कि कितना बढ़िया इंट्यूटिव प्लेटफॉर्म बना रखा है, कितनी
Correct.
अच्छी ऐप है. तो वो डिजाइन कैसे किया है? How you went about that?
So I'll tell you, we were very clear since the start that we are building this for a global audience. Like we were very clear कि काम चलाओ काम करना ही नहीं है when it comes to design or everything. Everything needs to be perfect. It should look like, because you know, one of the things that really honestly pinches us is you don't have a big consumer tech product from India yet
Right.
that is blown up globally. You don't, because India में the kind of consumer apps, they're not able to match the quality, the experience that the rest of the world is used to, and that pinches us. I feel the only product that does that in India right now is Cred,
Right.
which is why Cred was my benchmark, that we have to build a UI UX experience that matches or beats Cred.
But that isn't global yet, no?
It is not, but I
It's
think
not
it's at
global,
least
yeah.
that it has that quality.
Yeah, yeah.
नहीं, I was comparing your app with Nike, तो मेरे को तुम
हाँ.
लोग की काफी बेटर लगी compared to Nike,
Oh,
जब
thank
क्योंकि
you.
जो
Oh
app
wow,
Yes.
that's a big compliment.
That's actually a big compliment.
But so,
Thanks, Nike.
yeah, that's what we're trying, and it's always an iterative process. We make a design, we learn,
Yeah.
we get a better idea. It's like almost like creating art. I honestly feel like building businesses and entrepreneurship, it's like creating art. It's the most creative thing you can do. So we almost think ourselves like artists more than say business people, because you get a chance to build something.
Right. I think लोग ये भी जानना चाहेंगे the real life behind these life that you have, जो आपकी startup life है, उसके पीछे क्या रहता है? कितना टाइम दिन का जाता है इसमें?
There is no
build
other
करने
life.
में?
There is no. What is personal life?
There is no other
Question
life.
mark! Exclamation mark!
अभी तो 9 बजे कह रहे थे कि जाना है रेस्टोरेंट में हम लोग की पार्टी शुरू होने वाली है.
हाँ तो देखो ना, आप कर तो रहे हैं आपके podcast. That is work. No,
नहीं
no,
तो-
यार, I'll tell you what happened. So our first ever store opened in September of last year. Roughly take it October, September end tha. Our work timings have officially become, now it's not every day, but most of the days, 10:30 we're here in office, right? 5-6 p.m. we leave from Gurgaon to our store, which is in Delhi, 1 hour in traffic, and 10 p.m. the store shuts down. By 11:30 we are at home.
And this is 7 days a week. So Monday to Friday in office, then store. Saturday, Sunday, just store.
Just store.
So
This is our official work day. अब जाके हमने बीच में Monday to Friday में 1 or 2 days we have just taken out just for the WeWork office online team and not going to the store.
But honestly, like, I'm not complaining. I'll be very
Yeah.
honest, because see, there's only like, I feel we're very fortunate that we're able to work on something and we're seeing the results.
Right.
Because we've also been in a position where we are working equally hard on something and we were not seeing the results we wanted in our previous venture. We were working equally hard. वो नहीं आ रहा था. So at times, things are in the right timing, you're in the right place at the right time, things are working out. So that's the point. You should maximize your leverage, your advantage, and do that. And we're young, we can afford to do it. So
I think दो लोग बहुत खुश होंगे. एक नारायण मूर्ति and second L&T chairman after hearing this. But what's your take on 90-hour work week जो अभी conversation चल रही?
So I'll tell you, the first time I heard of 80-hour work weeks from Narayan Murthy sir, and in fact he had come for convocation when I was in my first year.
Nice.
So, and that's when this entire controversy was blowing up. And 80-hour work weeks, and I'm thinking, and I said this to Akshay, कि 80 तो थोड़ा कम नहीं है. मतलब 80 तो करते ही होंगे sir. I was like 7 days a week, 11 hours also, it's 80. So that was saying 80 that everyone must be doing. And 90 I think is probably stretching
90
it.
is higher.
90.
Yeah. I think he said 80 or 90. I think
90. L&T chairman said
L&T said
90.
90.
Oh.
Narayan Murthy sir
said
said
70.
70, हाँ. Like 70, 80 तो कम ही है, like for us, like honestly. And see, to everybody their own. I'm not advocating it for anyone, or to quote someone very famous as you were discussing, I advocate work-life balance to all my competitors. This is
smart.
Shout out to Adit Palicha from Zepto. Very well said.
The 19-year-old.
Yeah, but very well said.
Yeah.
तो थोड़े मैच्योर हैं तुम लोग 20-year-olds हो तो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट कि यार ये जो एंजाइटी आती है, स्ट्रेस आती है, उससे कैसे डील करते हो? क्योंकि यू आर वर्किंग डे इन डे आउट, फिर नंबर्स का रहता है प्रेशर. नाउ यू रेज राउंड आल्सो, पब्लिक आई भी है चारों तरफ कि यार क्या चल रहा है, सारे लोग हर टाइम ट्रैक करते हैं, तो उससे कैसे डील करते हैं फिर दोनों लोग?
I think public eye का उतना हम लोड नहीं लेते. To be very honest. हाँ, public eye का we just वो लोड नहीं है. I think it's more of our expectations from ourselves and it's the responsibility of the 40 people who are working with us.
Right.
More importantly, right? We need to make sure we provide them the growth, because by working with us, they're choosing not to say work in any other established companies, because these are all very smart people we get, right? They can get offers in other companies. So by working with us, they're taking a bet that the growth that they'll see here in 1 year will be 5 years in any other company. That's what I promise to everyone as well.
Right.
So we need to make sure we show up day in, day out to make that a reality. That is the pressure. More than investors, more than anything else, it's for the team that's working with us. And that's what makes it stressful.
I think जब Flipkart का acquisition हुआ था तो initial set of employees ने काफी पैसे बनाए थे.
काफी, a lot of people.
Right.
अब Nvidia के initial set of employees कितना पैसा बना रहे हैं?
Right.
अभी भी हो जाता है यार, anxiety, stress, मतलब there are a lot of things to do. But I think we've able to keep a calm and composed self. थोड़ा वो रहो यार. हमारा फॉर एग्जांपल बहुत बेसिकली जो अभी आपको बता रहा था, शार्क टैंक से पहले टेक फटा हुआ था. वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग मैसिव ट्रैफिक. मैं ऊपर 5th फ्लोर पे स्क्रीनिंग प्लान कर रहा था विद द टीम. नीचे दिवांश हमारा प्रोडक्ट पेज फिक्स करवा रहा था.
So 8:30 p.m. we went on air. You will see me video होगा उसका 8:32 p.m. तक I was नीचे ऊपर स्क्रीनिंग चल रही है. I was sitting with the tech team. And इनको मैं उठा के भगा के लेके गया कि चलो स्क्रीनिंग स्टार्ट हो गई है, because our product page wasn't working till 8:29 p.m.
और वो स्पाइक कितने बजे आया? एपिसोड के बीच में ही आना शुरू हो गया था.
So the first ad slot in the episode. So episode there's a pitch for Q&A थोड़ा होता है, and then there's an ad slot. The first ad slot we saw and we're like, okay, this is cool. And we were surprised that neither the website broke down nor the app broke down, because we were totally expecting it to break down. First time it's being
100%.
tested is on the Shark Tank airing. इससे पहले कोई लोड टेस्टिंग नहीं हुआ कि बना ही अभी है, 2 घंटे पहले सब कुछ रेडी हुआ है. And otherwise this was supposed to go live 20 Jan, the new website and app.
तो काफी चीजें एक्सपेडाइट हो गई थी.
काफी चीजें यार खींच के 4 दिन में बनानी पड़ी. So our philosophy was there was a new shark in our panel.
Kunal Bell.
Kunal Bell, right?
So what we have always observed, Shark Tank वाले तो dates बताते नहीं है.
Hmm.
What we have always observed is new shark is introduced middle of the season.
अच्छा.
So we
Like
had
Amit
thought,
Jain was introduced middle of the
हाँ.
season. Piyush was
ये
introduced.
पैटर्न आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया था.
Correct.
so we thought we have time to build 4 platforms. By the way, Culture Circle website, Culture Circle app, SourceX website, SourceX app. हमने बुद्धुओं की तरह 4 प्लेटफॉर्म्स स्क्रैच से रिकॉर्ड करने शुरू कर दिए. और जैसे ही ही वाज इन बाली, आई थिंक 29-30 दिसंबर को ईमेल आया कि 6-7 जन को तुम लाइव जा रहे हो. एवरीबॉडी गेव अप देयर न्यू ईयर्स और
Correct.
सब ने खींच के बनाया है.
मतलब मैं देख सकता हूँ देवांश हमेशा बीचेस के पास ही रहता है जब कुछ होने
Beaches.
होने वाला रहता है.
Yeah.
आई थिंक आई विल कम टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैव कि व्हाट आर योर इंटरनेशनल एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स. जैसे बताया ना कि इसको इंडिया से ग्लोबल
Correct.
प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, तो
Correct,
उसके लिए
correct.
क्या चल रहा है अभी, which direction you
So actually, you can see it live on our mobile app. We are already live in 5 countries. It's a pilot that we're doing, and right now, how we're going about it is the go-to-market is very simple. What worked in India? Skyscanner. We just redirect to the website right now. That's what we've done. That's the price comparison, scraping, and redirection. And our entire idea is I'm going to test this out in a very low-cost manner in 40 territories that we have identified
अच्छा.
that are big for like sneakers and these products. 40 countries will test it out. Wherever we see organic pull, like we saw organic pull in the Indian market, we didn't have to market.
जहाँ डोमिनो इफेक्ट आएगा वही.
Correct.
Exactly,
That's where we double down.
exactly.
Because if you think about it, what we've done now, we've built a distribution channel for the highest paying audience in the country, and we've done that profitably. Like
Right.
this is the audience जिसको हर D2C brand target करना चाहता है.
हाँ,
आज
because
के
you have
time
super
में-
premium set of audience ना, वो
Correct.
और किसी के पास क्रेड के पास भी है पर इस कैटेगरी की नहीं होगी.
इतना नहीं है.
उनके टॉप 1%
We-
तुम्हारे पास है.
Cred is for the top 2%. We are for Cred's top 2%.
Right.
Like we're that, right? And we're very proud of that. And that's what we want to be. We don't want Culture Circle to be an accessible thing for everyone. It has to be exclusive. It has to be only for those who appreciate culture, only for those who are cool.
बट ये ऑफलाइन स्टोर्स जैसे यू हैव वन इन दिल्ली, तो ये प्लान से किसको भी एक्सपैंड करते चलना है साइड बाय साइड.
Yes, 100%. So our first store went live in Delhi.
हम्म.
Hyderabad goes live next week. Mumbai goes live in April. Now we are planning, this is by the way in collaboration, it's an MBO. It's in collaboration with Broadway.
ओके.
It's a store-in-store concept. Like 20,000 square feet के अंदर हमारा roughly 800,000 square feet की हमारी space है.
अच्छा.
Right? अब हम plan कर रहे हैं अपना खुद का store in Gurgaon itself.
Which is going to be Asia's largest sneaker and streetwear store.
Correct.
It's
Like,
going to
we're
be
going
Asia's
big.
largest sneaker and
And
streetwear.
Gurgaon में there's high-paying audience. यार there is a reason कि Aralias, Camellias, Magnolias Gurgaon में.
एकदम सामने ही तो है यार तुम्हारे.
Exactly. तो हम we are building one of the largest collections. Gurgaon में store, we've hired a store designer. We have almost closed on the location, but 4 stores so immediately. And the moment Mumbai store is live and हमारा गुड़गांव का store final हो
Then
जाता है.
international also, you think.
Correct. जो अब exact philosophy, wherever the model works, we can see the pull.
I'm biased
We'll go
towards
hard.
Dubai because I love the place. I want a reason to visit Dubai.
अच्छा, वहाँ पे भी अल जुमैरा बीच है
Beach
साइड
है.
में. जहाँ भी बीचेस रहेंगे वहाँ स्टोर पहुँचती रहेंगी. आई थिंक
Now I know our expansion plans.
एक मार्केटिंग से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आता है. डू यू थिंक कि ये आपका सेलिब्रिटी का भी प्ले आता है क्या इसमें? इफ यू हैव टू इंक्रीज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, कभी वो भी देखोगे क्या, टाई अप विद अ क्रिकेटर और मे बी अ बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी टू टेक दिस फॉरवर्ड?
Sure. So
Why would we?
in our category, it makes sense. मतलब on
नहीं, क्योंकि मैं
paper-
और भी शूज ब्रांड देखता हूँ, लाइक
हाँ.
प्यूमा इज प्लेइंग विद विराट
Correct,
कोहली,
correct, correct.
और फिर बाकी भी इस तरह से किसी ना किसी को
Correct.
फ्रंट
So,
फेस बनाते
I'll tell you in our category on paper, why it makes sense is we want to build trust,
हैं.
right? In India, celebrities still have that trust. Let's say we get a Shah Rukh Khan or an Amitabh Bachchan, you build a certain level of trust, or a Ranbir Kapoor in our audience would really relate. But when we look at it from a holistic perspective, right, we see it's not worth it anymore. Like the amount you're paying, it's really not worth it anymore. There are better ways to build trust. Like you just deliver exceptional product, make a good product, deliver that product, and do it again and again and again, and that's how you build a brand and people are talking about it. So, and we don't own the products we sell, no?
Right.
We're selling other brands' products. So it's up to those brands to hire those brand ambassadors. we
हाँ,
feel.
वो आपकी ऑटोमेटिकली मार्केटिंग
Like
करता है.
Exactly.
Amazon, correct.
Exactly.
Like we are like the Amazon for the top 1% of the world. So we don't feel the need
So
to.
we are still able to leverage, I think, a lot of known faces and celebrities. So हमारे में तो one easy hack is what is on their feet, what are they wearing.
Right.
So what, for example, if Diljit Dosanjh is
And they
performing,
order from us. So many
Yeah,
of them
yeah,
order
so
from us.
many
Like
people have ordered.
playing 11 cricket team, multiple players order from us. Bollywood
उनको
stars.
नॉर्मल जैसी ऑर्डर रिसीव होता है स्टोरी डाल देते हैं कल्चर सर्कल के साथ यार क्या है हमें कुछ बोलना भी नहीं पड़ता
Correct.
लाइक
ये बेस्ट वे ऑफ मार्केटिंग है ना
They're very kind.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
if I'm seeing a name, I know who this person is. He was playing in the World Cup right now. I just texted him. Great match by the way, and great match, and we're a small brand. Please just put up a story.
जिस दिन हम सेमीफाइनल्स जीते थे ना उसके बाद ऑर्डर आ गया था
हम
Like,
सेमीफाइनल्स जीते हैं
Yeah.
वर्ल्ड कप में. अगले दिन सुबह 10 बजे दिस पर्सन एंड ही मेड अस विन द सेमीफाइनल्स एंड ही ऑर्डर्ड 40,000 का.
इतने हिंट दे दिए कि सबको पता ही चल गया होगा कि कौन. नहीं बढ़िया यार. नहीं आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम तुम लोग के भी कैफे जाने का टाइम हो चुका है. कैफे पब बार क्योंकि गुड़गांव में बैठे हो. बट थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.
work guys work
Work hard, party harder. That is the tagline that these guys live, and ये बताना भी चाहिए. But thank you so much again for taking out time.
Thank you
यार.
so
It was
much.
nice
Thank you so
speaking.
much. Thanks for doing this. And guys, like, share, subscribe.
100% and then download the app also please.
And then
Download
download
the
the
app.
Culture Circle app.
Because it is मतलब I basically work with all the top startups जो mobile app first है. इनका UI UX is definitely phenomenal, so I highly
Go
recommend
check it out.
वो अपनी line एक बार फिर से बोल दो.
So we're now Asia's #1 hyper luxury app with the largest collection of authenticated drip, where you can compare prices between all globally verified sellers. So go get the app right now.
Thank you.